Good morning. Before we begin, let me ask you this. Do you ever wake up feeling stiff, tired, or low on energy? If you're over 50, that's completely normal. But it doesn't have to stay that way. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you a gentle Tai Chi routine that can loosen your joints, improve your balance, boost your energy, and help you start your day feeling refreshed. No equipment, no pressure, just slow, calming movements anyone can do. Take a deep breath and let's wake up your body together. Part 1. Full body warm-up. Before we begin the main Tai Chi routine, let's take a couple of minutes to warm up your joints and slowly wake up the entire body. Remember, move at your own pace. Keep everything gentle, slow, and comfortable. One shoulder and arm, loosening. Start by standing tall, with your feet shoulder-width apart. Let your arms hang naturally on both sides of your body. Step by step, slowly roll your shoulders backward 8 times. Then, roll your shoulders forward 8 times. Next, gently swing your arms from side to side, letting them move freely. Do this for 10 slow swings. Feel your shoulders opening up, feel your chest expanding, and with every exhale, let a little more tension melt away. This warm-up helps increase circulation and prepares your upper body for smooth Tai Chi movements. 2. Neck relaxation. Now let's loosen the neck, an area that often becomes stiff as we age. Step by step, tilt your head to the right and hold for 3 seconds. Tilt your head to the left and hold for 3 seconds. Look gently up toward the sky for 2 seconds. Then, lower your chin toward your chest for 2 seconds. Repeat this entire sequence 2 times. If you spend a lot of time watching TV, reading, or looking down at your phone, these simple stretches can release a lot of built-up tension. 3. Gentle spine rotation. Place your hands lightly on your hips. We're going to loosen the lower back and activate the core. Step by step, gently rotate your torso to the right, then rotate to the left. Continue alternating sides for 12 slow rotations. Imagine your spine as a flexible bamboo stick, strong, light, and full of flowing energy. Keep your movements soft, controlled, and effortless. Part 2. Tai Chi. Breathing and centering. Now that your body is warmer, let's connect the breath with the movement, a key part of Tai Chi. This will calm the mind, open the lungs, and prepare your body for the main routine. Basic Tai Chi breathing. Repeat 3 times. As you inhale through the nose, slowly lift both hands in front of you, palms soft and relaxed. As you exhale through the mouth, gently lower your hands back down. Move as if your arms are floating in warm water. Breathing cues. Keep your shoulders relaxed. Keep your movements slower than your breath. Imagine your chest filling up with fresh morning energy each time you inhale. This breathing practice helps lower tension, relax the nervous system, and increase oxygen flow. Perfect for anyone over 50. Part 3. Main Tai Chi routine. Move 1. Open the gate. This movement opens the chest and warms up the arms and upper back. Steps. Stand tall, feet shoulder-width apart. Inhale as you raise both arms in front of you. Open your arms outward like opening 2 large doors. Exhale as you bring your arms back to center. Repeat 8 slow repetitions. Let your arms float. Don't force anything. Feel the chest expand with every inhale. Move 2. Wave hands like clouds. This movement improves balance, coordination, and mental focus. Steps. Shift your weight to the right foot. Bring your right hand up in front of your face, palm relaxed. Let your left hand flow below, near your waist. Shift your weight to the left and switch the hand positions. Keep your knees soft and your torso upright. Repeat. Perform 10 slow waves, alternating sides. Imagine your arms are floating through clouds. Smooth, gentle, effortless. 1. When shifting your weight to the right, inhale gently through your nose. As your body shifts to the right, your right hand rises. Inhale softly, smooth, gentle, not too deep. Your chest and shoulders open naturally, without lifting or tensing. Imagine you're breathing in cool, fresh air that lightly fills your chest. When shifting your weight to the left, exhale slowly through your mouth. As your left hand lifts and your right hand lowers, exhale slowly through your mouth. Lips slightly relaxed. Your chest softens and your belly releases. Imagine you exhale the way you would fog up a window, soft and long. 3. Let your breath follow the movement. Inhale when the hands open or rise. Exhale when the hands lower or close. Don't force a deep breath. Allow your breath to be slightly slower and longer than your movement 4. Tai Chi, golden breath, rule. Keep the breath natural, never strained. Practice gentle belly breathing. Inhale, belly softly expands. Exhale, belly gently falls. If you feel short of breath, simply slow your movements. Move 3, rising energy. This is a grounding movement that calms your mind and energizes the whole body. Steps. Let your hands rest at your sides. Inhale as you scoop upward slowly, palms facing up. Exhale as you push downward gently, palms facing the ground. Repeat. 6 calming repetitions. Each time you scoop up, imagine gathering energy. Each time you press down, imagine releasing stress. Move 4, the gentle push. A great move for improving leg strength and balance, especially important after age 50. Steps. Shift your weight to the right. Step forward slightly with your left foot. Slowly push both palms forward. Pull your hands back and return to center. Switch sides. Repeat. 6 pushes on each side, 12 total. Keep the steps small. If you have knee or hip issues, move with control, not speed. Breathing inhale as you pull your hands back. Exhale as you gently push your hands forward. This is a basic Tai Chi principle. Push out equals breathe out. Pull back equals breathe in. Move 5. Tai Chi, closing flow. This movement brings the body back to a calm, centered state. Steps. Bring your feet closer together. Raise both arms in a slow circle upward. Lower them gently down the center of your body. Keep your breath soft and steady. Repeat. 5 slow closing circles. Feel your whole body settling into a peaceful rhythm. Breathing in this movement. Inhale as your hands rise in the circular motion. Exhale as your hands gently lower down. Your breath should be light, slow, effortless. Part 4. Cool down and restore your energy. 1. Shoulder drop. Release tension down to the ground. Take a deep breath in through your nose and gently lift your shoulders, just enough to feel the muscles around your neck opening. As you exhale slowly, let your shoulders fall naturally. as if someone is softly pressing them downward. With every breath out, imagine the tension sliding off your shoulders, neck, and upper back. Repeat 3 times. Each round, inhale 4 to 5 seconds. Exhale 6 to 7 seconds. This longer exhale helps activate your relaxation response. 2. Arm stretch. Open the arms and upper back. As you inhale, slowly extend both arms forward. Keep your arms straight, but don't lock the elbows. Once your arms are fully extended, exhale gently and draw your hands apart, creating a soft stretch through the arms, shoulders, and upper back. Then shake out your wrists and hands lightly, as if you're letting go of any remaining tension. Repeat 2 rounds. Round 1, slow, deep, mindful. Round 2, soft, relaxed, comfortable. Breathing pattern. Inhale for 4 seconds. Extend. Exhale for 6 seconds. Gentle stretch and release 3. Final breath. Seal in positive energy. Take a long, deep breath in, sweeping your arms up in a soft, circular motion. Open your chest and draw the air deep into your belly. Exhale slowly, lowering your hands as if you're smoothing the air around your body, inviting a sense of calm. As you breathe out, relax your jaw, soften your eyes, and let a gentle smile appear. Breathing pattern. Inhale 4 to 5 seconds. Pause 1 second. Exhale 6 to 7 seconds. You've just completed 10 minutes of Tai Chi for balance, energy, and healthy aging. These slow, mindful movements help improve your balance, loosen stiff joints, increase circulation, calm your nervous system, and support long-term, healthy aging. Practice every day or just a few times a week. Your body and mind will thank you. Ending. If this routine made your body feel lighter and more energized, please give the video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more gentle Tai Chi sessions made especially for seniors. I encourage you to practice this routine every day. Just 10 minutes can make a powerful difference in your balance, your energy, and how you feel throughout the day. Thank you for spending your time with me. Have a wonderful, healthy, and energized day, and I'll see you again in the next session.